The basketball team is creating a new story, but a story takes time. With the team made up with mostly freshmen and no seniors, they still find a way to win. According to junior Don Witherspoon, the basketball team has a bright future.
I think right now we're setting a precedent of where Clearview basketball should be, and from us, it'll be better years and years after.
With the team finishing below 500, they still ended up making the playoffs. A rebuilding team comes with its ups and downs, but you can see here that you just have to trust the process.
Basketball is a game of runs, so there'll be times where we're winning by 20, we'll be losing by 20, winning by 5. It doesn't matter, just you have to get through the game and win.
With their determination and youthful spirit, the Clearview basketball team is laying the foundation for a promising future, one game at a time. This has been Ashton Burgos and Roman Pacifico reporting for the Clearview School of Media Arts.